So today, I'm gonna teach you a secret that is going to make any man miss you. This is not gonna be popular, goes against what almost everyone is saying, but it's true. See, you're led to believe that all it takes to attract a man, just be kind, just be yourself, be authentic and put yourself out there. As if you're gonna take these simple steps and the universe is just gonna make sure that you meet someone when the time is right. But this could be a fantasy statement for some women. I mean, I'd love to say that you can just walk down the street, trip on a crack in the ground, and land magically into the arms of your tall, dark, and handsome Prince Charming. Heck, I bet that's even happened somewhere before.
Thank you, sir. You saved my life.
But the reality is that if you want to be the one woman that men actually compete for, a woman that men can't get off of their mind, well, then there's one specific trait that you need to embody. And you can't fake it, you can't buy it, but you can learn it. You can start to embody it as soon as today. I call it being unforgettable. Now, being unforgettable is more than just being remembered. It's being so mysterious, so interesting, that a man doesn't even consider other women. It's being so cool, so hip, that he would wait in line for hours just to get to hang with you. And I don't mean like popular cool, I mean like your coolest you. You know? If you're a geek, be a cool geek. You know who's one of the best examples of this in real life? Taylor Swift, the Tay-Tay. I don't know if they call her the Tay-Tay. Now, I realize that Taylor is beautiful. I know she's young and she's famous, but there's plenty of beautiful, young, and talented women who have never even scratched the surface of Taylor's level of allure and success. She's so charming, and in this video, I'm gonna break down a few of the reasons Taylor Swift is a great example of an unforgettable woman. You can see Taylor dancing as if no one is watching her. And this displays something very important. It shows that Taylor, she's not relying on social cues to determine what is safe or appropriate. She's a rebel, and she's loved for it. You can tap into your own personal power by feeling the fear of judgment and taking the action anyway. For example, it's taking that improv class you've been terrified of taking. It's going to a salsa event all by yourself. It's being willing to go to a fancy restaurant dressed formally, all by yourself, and having a great time. These aren't typical normal ways for people to act. Most people are overly concerned with what others think. Now, if you can break that mold, you can join the 1% of women who do not care what other people think of them. And that is unforgettable. The second trait, unforgettable fun. Now just watch the next few clips of Taylor having fun with her friends. You'll notice that Taylor's always the center of the fun.
3, 2, 1.
It's mine. It's already in my mouth.
Being fun is a huge value add for men. Between work and responsibility and the reality of life, it can be hard to really appreciate the blessing of life that we've been given. By joking and playing and celebrating, Taylor is elevating the human experience for those around her, meaning she's bringing a level of excitement to their experience that's captivating. Men appreciate that and want to bring that kind of partner along for the ride of life. Having fun is simple, but being a fun person is much more powerful and magnetic to men. Men are naturally attracted to a younger energy, and being fun is the easy way to instantly exude more youthfulness and to attract him. Everyone has a friend that they totally adore because when you talk to them, they make you feel good. Now, Taylor does this really fun thing that makes the person she's talking to feel so good inside. She expresses authentic gratitude often in conversations and is just bringing a level of positive energy and enthusiasm to every discussion she has. Notice in this interview with Ellen all of the positive feel-good statements that she says.
We have had a lot of fun with our first guest over the years. Take a look.
That's the best surprise ever. This is the best day ever.
Yeah.
That's great. Being on Ellen's show is one of the best.
Monotone like that.
Being on the Ellen show is one of the best experiences you can have.
Now laugh in a monotone way.
That was an amazing montage.
I know.
Taylor's positivity, it's infectious. When we're surrounded by people who always look at the cup half full, it helps us to have our own positive mindset. And this is why radiating positive energy is so important. Because if you can do this consistently, it can become part of your personality. And being kind, compassionate, patient, and tolerant of others, it's one of the top most desired factors for men when they choose a life partner. Dale Carnegie used to say, instead of worrying what others say about you, why not just spend some time trying to accomplish something that everyone would admire? If that sounds interesting to you, then I've got something special that you're going to love. There's this brand new video, just released it. It goes far deeper into this topic. It gives you insight into a much smarter way to attract men and get them to really devote themselves, truly devote themselves to you. Now, this video is not going to be on YouTube because it's too long. It's a little more advanced than what I cover on here. All you have to do is just click the link in the description below this video to watch it. And if you're really riled up right now, just smash the button. If you're feeling gentle and relaxed, just lightly tap it. But you're gonna get access to this new presentation where I reveal what I call the #1 relationship killer. This video is going to open your eyes to a much smarter, more effective way to almost guarantee that you get true commitment from the man you're dating. I think you're going to find it extremely interesting and totally different from anything that's out there right now. Just click the link in the description, and on top of that, if you watch the video, you'll also get the opportunity to join my newest program, just launched today. It's called His Secret Desires. Now, this program is epic. It dives deep into the psychology, the desires and attraction triggers in the male mind. It's like having this step-by-step attraction system from going from first date to committed relationship and knowing exactly how to avoid all of the normal pitfalls and the barriers that come up in a relationship. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you so much if you made it all the way to the end of this video. Have a great day, and I will see you over there.